Hi there, everybody. It's Mark Sebastian, founder of Option Pit. Reminder, this is for educational purpose only. Consult a financial professional if you have questions. And today, at 8:30 Eastern, I'm doing our next Option Pit webinar, Trading Weekly and Daily Options. So this is very apt for what's going on right now because there's lots and lots and lots to do in weeklies and dailies. Go to optionpit.com/weekly to sign up. All right. Now that that's out of the way, let's look at this market. Boy, we've had a nice little bounce on the open. And, you know, it kind of makes sense after yesterday's absolute domination that we would, right? So we got absolutely pummeled yesterday. We were down on the year as of yesterday. But take a look. Vol was not at its high. Take a look at VIX. In the height of touching down on the year, at the height of touching down in the year, in the middle of a huge sell-off, look at that, VIX tops out at 26. La-di-da. So, you know, I'm not saying that was the bottom, but it felt kind of close, didn't it? Didn't it? Feel kind of close. Yes, it did. So, I'm looking at a lot of stocks that are up big and a couple that are down. I want to point out AMD is getting absolutely dominated by the market today. Meanwhile, Intel, nicen up. Intel has earnings this afternoon. So does Google. Which is big, and then Amazon's after the close today too. So a lot of huge earnings hitting tonight. 3 of the top 10 stocks in the S&P 500. So we've already got one big one, Microsoft from yesterday, and then next week we have Facebook, Apple, and I believe XOM is coming. XOM and CVX are coming too. Yep, next week. So we literally have, and we've already gotten Procter and Gamble. So by Friday, we'll have all of the top 10 stocks in the S&P 500 having reported. So if we're going to get the earnings bounce, it is going to be. It's going to be, over the next couple of days. If Amazon, Google, and Intel have good earnings today, it could be right back to the 200-day moving average in the SPX faster than you can say SPY. But if the earnings stink, then, the kind of levels I was looking for down on the year with slightly lower vol, which we're at, are going to just fall like a trapdoor. That's kind of, now, as per today, with how bad everything was yesterday, obviously we could give away or run 28 points in either direction. I'd actually think it'd be healthier for us to just kind of hang around here, be up 25 to 35 on the day, call it 1%, 1.25%, and then build on that tomorrow, than to get a face ripper 60, 70, 80-point rally. I don't think those types of rallies are healthy. Volatility will hold up. We're going to be above 20 through at least tomorrow. But is there potential for the floor to drop out tomorrow morning? Yes. So I think today you see vol pretty high. So today in the chat room, I'm going to be looking at AMD, going to be looking at some trades in maybe SPY, IWM I will play around in. Had itself an ugly day. and probably something in the diamonds, because the Dow is also now down on the year, although I believe it's back to up on the year now. So we have a lot of stuff to look at. There's a lot of funness out there, and I will be, we'll be playing with that. All right, again, go to optionpit.com/weekly to sign up for tonight's webinar at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and I will talk to you soon.